I'm currently here in Brunei International Airport. In today's video, I'm flying from Brunei using the low-cost airline to Penang via Kuala Lumpur. So today I'm flying Asia, the low-cost airline. It's a long queue for check-in.
You already logged in this morning?
Yeah. I just checked in for my flight from Brunei all the way to Penang. So I'm heading to the lounge now. Even I'm traveling on the low-cost airline, but because I have the membership, I still can go to the lounge. I'm in the lounge now. I just ordered mushroom omelette. Just finished using the lounge and now I'm heading to the gate. Quite quiet at the airport. Asia flight is gate 7. There's another flight to Kuala Lumpur, Royal Brunei Airlines. Ooh, so this is the gate. Boarding now.
இது புகைப்பிடிக்கா பயணமாகும். கழிவறையில் புகைப்பிடித்தால் அபராதம் விதிக்கப்படும். நன்றி. பரதமயா.
Your business for delivery swipes and entering cards. Thank you for patience.
Actually, you can purchase the food directly from the crew, but it's cheaper if you purchase it online. So I just ordered nasi lemak. Nasi lemak a bit spicy.
Telefon bimbit tidak dibenarkan sehingga tanda isyarat.
Just landed in Kuala Lumpur. So this is KLIA 2. So this is arrival hall. Since I have 8 hours transit time, so I'm going to go through immigration and get out from the airport. My luggage has been checked through to Penang, so I don't have to collect my luggage. I just need to pass through the immigration. It's a long walk to the immigration. Okay, just gone through immigration and now I'm going out. Just went through the immigration, and because I've checked through my bag to Penang, so I don't have to collect my luggage. And now I'm gonna head out to the Midway outlet since I have around 8 hours to wait.